What was that? Wait,
Oh, it's okay. It'll be all right. What happened to your magazine? You drop it? What were you reading? What was you reading about? What is that? What is that?
Zoe, you can't say that word.
That's a really naughty word, Zoe. Where did you hear that from? Where'd you hear that word? Huh? Your what? Did they say that word? Oh, that's naughty, huh? They should get soap in their mouths, huh? Did you get an owie from your book? Did you have an owie? Do you want your magazine back?
No.
What do you want?
I just want the animated again.
You what?
I want the animated again.
Okay, I'll get you a different one. Okay, love you, bye.
Mommy, why did you say love you bye?
I don't know, because I was talking to the camera. What do you want to say anything to the camera?
Love you bye.
Say love you the mostest toastest artichokes. Did you know I was videotaping you?
Bye.
Just 'cause.